The most important thing about burgers is, because it's minced meat, it's the quality of the mince. So if you want to make burgers at home, you don't buy mince, you go to a butcher shop, not a supermarket, and you ask them to take chuck and mince it for you. And then you hand form it into a patty, which means you work it a little bit with your hands, and then you hand form it and then you push it down on the grill or the flat plate or wherever you're doing it. And importantly, you don't add salt or anything. It's just pure meat. And the reason for that is you want that beautiful beef flavour. And again, it's really about seasoning it, cooking the bacon. And then what we do is something really interesting. We kind of put the buns upside down and build the burger upside down. On the top of the buns, tomato and chili relish. Here we have Cafe Zuni pickles, bacon on top of the cheese.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah, okay. All right, thank you.